how to set up personal voice in iOS 17. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, iOS 17 introduced a new feature, AI voice cloning. So, to set it up, you'll need to go to your settings and then tap on accessibility and scroll down. And under speech, you'll find personal voice. Now you'll need to tap on create a personal voice and then hit continue and then choose a language of your choice and then you'll need to give a voice a name. So if you hit continue, it says that find a quiet place, speak naturally, and take your time. So once you hit continue, it will give you various prompts that you need to read out loud, and it will be like 15 minutes long. So after recording your voice and then like synthesizing your voice, iOS will like process it overnight, and the next day you'll have your personal voice assistant with their own voice. And that's it. It's as simple as that to set up personal voice on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.